What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you're a subscriber, thank you for tuning in. If you're new, you're definitely welcome. Today's video is a quick one. I'll be showing you how you can manually coil or bob your wig or your hair without using electricity. So we'll be using this manual coiler. So before we start, I'd like to hit that subscribe button for me and the notification button for you to know when I post new video. It's absolutely free, guys. You know how we do it. Let's get it on. Okay, so I'll be bobbing this Ghana weaving braid. I just finished doing. If you want to see how I do my Ghana weaving without human hair closure, I'll put a link in the description box for you to see how I achieve this look. So this is the hair after using the scissors to trim out the excess hair. You dip it inside hot water, which is what I just did now. It's still very wet, yeah. Okay, so right now I'm just trimming the extra length, which is optional, and then these are manual coiler. They come in different shapes and sizes. You can see any beauty surprise store. And right now I'm boiling hot water for us to get this party started. The water should be very, very hot, as in hot as in boiling point. So this we're about to start doing our bob right now. So when I was done with that week, I just discovered I had one blonde cut, which I did like a few weeks ago. There's a video on how I did this blonde cut, which I'll put in the description box as well. So I had to just change the look to bob it as well. So about to bob this one, so we're going to change this one from blonde cut to a bob wig. So yeah. video, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Bye.